Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to take a look at a few of the plays that I mentioned this week on the channel. I made a lot of buy or short videos this week, and as you can see, the channel has been growing immensely. So I want to give you guys an update here on a few of those plays, as well as I want to let you know that I made over 100% trading those plays this week. So I want to show you exactly what those plays were, as well as whether I'm holding or selling, and what I think will be happening in the near and short future with a lot of these names, guys. So the first one I want to talk about is Fubo TV. Now, I bought in half of my share position at $27, like I told you guys, because that price was setting up as a short-term support here during this consolidation period. And as you guys can see, we absolutely rocketed up here on Tuesday of this week. So that is today, and we're sitting at around $32 a share, which coincidentally is the previous resistance here on this stock. So this is ultimately the last price that they held up, or that they had resistance at, before they actually made their huge move to $60. Now, I don't think that this stock is going to be worth $60 anytime soon, but at the very least, I can see them having strength as a result of breaking above the 200 EMA and this resistance, which is going to ultimately take us to around $36 to $40. And that's where I think the next consolidation will be for this stock when it decides to make a move either back down to 20 or 30, or all the way up to the highs around 60, guys. So ultimately, I'm not looking to sell my position with this company anytime soon. If they do have a pullback back to 30, then I will add more shares. But guys, this is one of those long-term companies that is going to be giving you profits for a very long time if you were able to buy in when I mentioned them in the Discord at $24, guys. Now, all the proof of that is in the last video that I made on Fubo, and I know a lot of you guys appreciated the screenshots and not just saying what happened. So I'm very happy that you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys can continue making profit from this Fubo play. Now, the next one that I actually profited very fat on here is JP guys. Now, I talked about bank stocks this week, and I made a video titled why I'm going all in on bank stocks. Now, that video was around $120 a share here if we are talking about JP, but as you can see now, they have absolutely rocketed off $20 a share above that. And even yesterday at around 138, I called it out for you guys and I said, this is the final stop. If the train is leaving the station with this play, if you ever wanted to jump in on banks, jump in now. And I know a lot of you guys took advantage of that opportunity. And as you can see, we are up at $141 right now. And I was able to profit over $200 overnight with this play, guys. So as always, there are some banger opportunities in the free Discord. Make sure you check that out. The link is in the description down below. And that's ultimately where I'll be telling you guys live when I jump in or out of a play. So make sure you're in there. Make sure you're very active and join the community we've built there, guys. So as always, that was the JP play. So on Fubo, I made around $200. On this one, also $200-ish. But guys, I haven't been taking a really big position. And with this JP, it was mostly based on options. So that was around 30 to 40% return on that play alone, guys. So like I say, you can make these profits overnight. You just need to have the perfect analysis for it. And there is going to be a lot of explanations in the Discord. So if you are confused, if you want to be making plays like this, guys, make sure at the very least you are watching these videos and trying to understand my reasoning behind it, which I explained in those previous videos, why I'm going all in on bank stocks and why you should buy or short Fubo stock, because in those videos I explain exactly what I'm looking for and exactly my reasoning into why I make these plays, guys. So it's going to be very critical to know why I'm making these plays and not just follow them blindly, even if you are able to make a profit so far. Now, the third play that I want to talk about is FuelCell Energy. This was the best one this week, and I'm actually up over $800 with this play, guys. So close to $1,000 profit. I hope that they can hit $1,000. But guys, like I say, this stock was breaking out from a wedge earlier this week, and they have done nothing short of an absolute monster move here, moving from around $10 to $18. Now, in the short run, I'm not looking to sell these shares at least until $25. And I hear that there is news that they might be joining with another electricity company, Orion, which is actually a really, really big name in household energy, guys. So if FuelCell is able to have any sort of major or a buyout, a merger, etc. with this company, then that will be extremely positive for the stock. And I can see the stock hitting $25 very, very soon here. And that's at least a short-term target where I'm looking to hold my shares to, and I will not be selling any time before that unless we see something absolutely extreme, which is going to change my mind on the bullish future of this company, guys. So if I wasn't in on this play yet and looking to get in, I would try to buy more shares around $16 or $15. That's ultimately the best, fairest price that you can get on this stock right now in the short run, guys. But if you did miss out on that price, then just wait. Don't buy in at these overextended prices, because as you can see, stocks tend to rocket and then pull back, or rocket and then pull back. So you really don't want to jump in when a stock is already up 80, 90% on the week, because this is just going to be a great time for you to jump in and the stock to pull back, guys. So I recommend you to wait with this play. This is one of our longer term plays on the channel and one of the plays I've been promoting for a very long time. So I'm extremely happy to see it go crazy like this, as well as extremely happy to imagine all of you guys who made profits in the Discord listening to this play and listening to what I said on the channel this week, guys. So if you enjoyed any of those plays, if you made profit, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Seeing all your guys' support in the comments, all your great and loved things in the Discord is making me very, very happy, guys, and make me keep wanting to produce these banger videos and find these moments of breakouts on the stock market, guys. So if you want to continue seeing content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. What did you think about the video? What do you want to see in the next one, or what I can improve on as far as being a teacher, guys? So if any of those things interest you, don't forget to check out the links in the description down below for the free Discord and for the TradingView link, which is the platform that you're seeing me on today and the platform that I do all my technical analysis on, guys. So if you want to get that for completely free and help support the channel, don't forget to check the links in the description down below. As always, guys, thank you so much for the support. I'm absolutely ecstatic on the growth of the channel and how much profits we've been able to make in just a single week. So this week was an absolutely insane week for us, guys. So I'm very, very excited for what the future holds in 2021. And as always, I hope all your plays are in the green.